Have you ever had a customer who's not in the dealership, yet you need a copy of their driver's license? Informativ can help with that. Now it's time to log into the app. Once you're logged in, you're presented with two options, the buyer and the co-buyer. We're going to be using the buyer. Now, if you spoke to someone on the phone, you can add them manually. Or you can search for a buyer or someone you've already added to the system. We're going to search for a buyer. We're going to use last name to find this customer. You can also use the phone number. And now we'll move on to choosing Request Steps. At the bottom, there's a Request Steps button. Now you'll choose Proof of Identity. I always like to put a message here for the customer, offering to help them if they run into any problems. And often you may have to walk them through this over the phone. Simply click Request, and it's sent to the customer. So what happens now? You should let your customer know to expect an email from compliance at dsgss.com. You'll notice my note that I put in for the customer appears here. There's a place for the customer to click and upload an image. It's going to open a browser on their phone with instructions on how to upload their driver's license. You can see a simple click of the button, upload proof of identity. Now this is for the front of the driver's license. And you should tell them, don't take the picture in their hand. They should put it down on a surface. Sometimes it helps to put it at an angle to knock some of the glare off of it. So they just simply go through the upload process. And once that's done, they're going to move on to the back of the license. And you can see there's that other button, click. Pardon my dirty desk. But again, that glare usually is what causes problems. So if you'll move it to an angle, that glare will be knocked down a little bit. So that's going to upload, and now it's all done. Now you can check in with your manager, make sure everything came across just fine. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day.